Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Stack to create awesome UIs. So further ado, let's get started. I have created a basic Flutter demo application here, and I've also created an asset folder in the root and added a SVG image. You can find the links to the resources that I've been using here in the description. Now let's add our assets folder and Flutter SVG package to the project. I got the SVG from this website, which is free. Let's clean up the code by removing the dummy code. Let's create our own stateless widget with a scaffold, and inside the body, I will have a stack. As the name states, stack is a widget where you can stack one widget on top of the other. Now let's add its children. I'll be adding a container first. This will be our base widget where we stack every other widget. I'll create a string variable of our asset. This will be our asset path and it will be passed as a parameter inside our SVG picture. Now let's create another container and position it by using position widget. Next, we'll get our container wrapped with positioned and give the necessary values. Positioned widget has 6 main attributes and 1 required field, which is the child. The main 6 include top, bottom, left, right, height, and width, which takes in a double, and child takes a widget. We'll also give our container a box shadow for better look and feel. Then we'll call in our image and position it like before. Next, I'll add a text widget and position it. As you can see, it came out really good. So this can be used in creating your own pop-ups, UIs, and make app more modern and rich. I hope you got some knowledge out of this episode. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back with another tutorial. Till then, take care.